Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook, where you're going to find the best community in all of crypto. Guys, over this last year of 2022, we have seen some major ups and downs. But in this video, I'm going to show you how going forward, fortunes are about to be made. So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? So guys, I got into this space long before this Ripple lawsuit was dropped by the SEC in December of 2020, and Judy and I had accumulated some significant positions in XRP. And by the time that this lawsuit dropped, I was fully convinced about what XRP is and where it could be going. And something felt inside of me that, hey, this has the potential to really be life-changing, in fact, generational wealth changing. And Judy and I just really got on board as much as we could. And in fact, the lowest price that we ever bought XRP back at that time was 10 cents. And when we were buying it at 10 cents, we didn't even realize that we were buying it with the price on the floor, because we had just got into this space in order to protect the purchasing power of our savings. Boy, oh boy, were we ever amazed by what we found out on that journey afterwards. When we were all locked down, guys, I was doing nothing but research. And the more I researched, the more convinced I became. And look, we watched the price of XRP go from that 10 cents from where we bought it all the way up to $1.97 at the top of that last run, which was around April or May of 2021. And guys, all we did was continue to accumulate. We did not even sell one XRP. And of the other assets that we sold, yes, we sold those, but not our XRP, because we know what we hold and we believe in this ecosystem and what we really see transpiring. It is genuinely amazing. I mean, none of us can deny that you can see that Ripple is on the forefront of this digital asset space. And just yesterday in the video that I did there, I was showing patent after patent after patent, thousands of patents that are being filed by major financial institutions around the world with respect to this new digital asset space and distributed ledger technology. Now you got Ripple out there literally building central bank digital currencies, the very infrastructure of the new digital financial system, utilizing XRP as a bridge asset. It is genuinely amazing. Now, guys, I want to take you over here and take a look at this website right here. Now, we all know that the suppression of this price of XRP has really been brought on by this SEC lawsuit. Just imagine for yourself, if you will, had Ethereum or Bitcoin been cut out of the world's largest economy, the United States, and most other parts of North America, with Canada also delisting XRP, if that had happened to Bitcoin or Ethereum, do you think Bitcoin would have hit $69,000 in the last bull run? Do you think we would have watched Ethereum go from about $200 to over $4,000 in that last run? I doubt we would have saw that. Now, even with the lawsuit on it, we watched the price of XRP go from 17.5 cents back there in December of 2020. And within 5 months, it hit $1.97, 1,100% return. Now, you just imagine if that lawsuit wasn't on there. I think we would have seen previous all-time highs blown away by XRP, and more than likely we would have watched XRP trade in the $12, $13, $14 range. Now, that is genuinely what I believe. But guys, what is coming is going to make even a run like that look like a blip. We are talking about an asset that has been so compressed in this spring and so held back that when they get clarity, and it will be the only digital asset in this space that'll get clarity, it is literally going to skyrocket, in my personal belief. I genuinely believe that. Now, let's just take a look at this title right here. It says, XRP price forecast for 2023. Ripple gears up for a bright future if it wins the legal battle with the SEC. Now, of course, guys, we all believe, and many legal analysts, and you got John Deaton, Jeremy Hogan, and a bunch of others, of course, that have come out and said, look, it looks like Ripple is going to win this case hands down. Now, you got another group out there saying, hey, it looks like a settlement is coming in Ripple's favor very soon as well. Well, I don't know if I'd rather have a win or a settlement, but I'll tell you what, either way, guys, we are watching an ecosystem literally explode in the world right now. I mean, they have moved in some amazing ways out there in Europe and in Africa and on and on and on. We are just seeing such tremendous growth in the Ripple ecosystem. It is truly something else. Now, guys, I have another website to show you right here. Now, this one here is talking about January may bring a big surprise, Crypto Trader predicts. And we're talking about Gareth Soloway. And what he's doing is he's actually going out there and saying, hey, look, traditionally what we see is a big pump in January. And he's called it the January effect crypto pop. And what he's expecting, guys, is in January, we could see a big pop up to some previous all-time, well, not all-time highs, but some previous highs before we might see a dip down to test some support ranges and then really take off. Well, guys, I want to show you something that gives me some confluence with respect to this. I want to show you this chart here, which is from Poloniex. And in fact, it's 2017. And what was going on back then, guys, is a lot of what's going on today. You had a big rise in the price of XRP and then a major retrace, like a really steep retrace. And then after that, you had a little pop back up for retracement. And then you had all this consolidation going on right down in here, if you look down in here. And guys, it was literally at that time, it was like tick, 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 tick. And people were getting bored and tired out of their mind. And if you go back and look at previous tweets back from that time, you're going to hear the narrative and all the people saying out there, nothing's going to happen. XRP is going nowhere. So I'm getting tired of holding on to this investment that is just not going to go anywhere. And the FUD was just going on like crazy until look at this, guys. One day, this is on the daily chart. And one day, all of a sudden, boom, you saw hundreds of percent rise in the price of XRP. And it comes back to do a little consolidation again, then boom, up again, and then back to, and look at this move. Wow, all the way up there. Now, guys, this happened. This whole move only took 3 weeks to take place, and it went literally from about 20 cents to $3.84. It was absolutely massive. Now, if you had got in back here, way back in the beginning of January of 2017, you were buying XRP at 0.006. And if you could have endured the FUD and all the noise, and as it all came up, all out here, and not got tempted out, because hey, 0.006 to 20 cents, that's still a major move. But if you were willing to have held on in here, you would have seen such life-changing gains. That $6,000 investment would have netted you somewhere in the neighborhood of $3.84 million had you sold it at the top. But most of us would have probably sold it in here. But needless to say, you would have probably got over $2.5 million out of an investment of $6,000 in 1 year. Now, guys, I want to show you something that's going on today. This is today. And just take a look at what's going on. You saw that big rise up in there, and all of a sudden, boom, that same kind of drop. And look at what's going on, guys. We're just tinkering along, moving, tinkering along, tick tock, and then one day we are going to wake up and boom, that thing is going to blow right off. It is going to be something else. I'm telling you, that is my gut feeling. I genuinely believe that. I mean, we are watching an asset that, like I said, has been so compressed and suppressed the price that when it takes off, and if it has that perfect legal clarity, which we believe it's going to get from the court, it will be the only digital asset that has it. And I believe that that actual move is going to be the catalyst for the next major bull run, which, by the way, in my view, is probably going to be the biggest bull run that this entire digital asset space has ever seen to date thus far. It is truly going to be wild. Now, guys, I am not the only one out there that thinks this way. Just take a look at this article right here. XRP price prediction. Can XRP reach $50 if it wins the SEC lawsuit? Guys, I am telling you, there are folks out there right now that are looking at XRP and the price chart, and they're coming out and they're saying, hey, if XRP gets ahead of this and beats the SEC in this lawsuit, and if they come out being the only digital asset with legal clarity, then we are probably going to see in this next bull run an absolute price explosion with XRP. And you've got people like CoinsKid and Blockchain Backer coming out there and saying XRP can hit those high two figures and maybe even the three figures at the top in this next bull run. Crypto Lulu just recently in an interview that I had was coming out and saying, hey, at that 4.236 at the top of that Fibonacci retracement, you got XRP pegged at $66. It will truly be something absolutely amazing. And guys, generational fortunes are going to be made. Now that is genuinely what I believe. We're going to see what 2023 and 2024 holds for this next bull run. But guys, I'm telling you, for me, it just has me all excited. I really believe that we are going to see something truly phenomenal and that this next bull run is going to be the biggest one that we have ever seen in this digital asset space thus far. Now, guys, this is the video I have for you today. And like always, I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Now, if you want to add to the conversation, drop your comments right down there in the comments section, open it up to the community and start a discussion. So guys, before you go, let me invite you to our Discord server. It is an amazing place. There's lots of other individuals in there. Hundreds of folks have joined, and it's a great place to get out there and share all your thoughts and ideas, all your suggestions and opinions with respect to anything in this digital asset space. It's absolutely free, and the link is right down there in the description of this video. Now, something else, guys, we are moving forward with doing our coaching in the new year. And if that is something that interests you to actually have a one-on-one Zoom with me for 1 hour for $250 to go over either your exit strategy, your portfolio, help you get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, or anything else that you need to discuss with respect to this space, then you write me right there at coaching@thedigital.outlook.com and we will get you all booked in. Now, guys, it is going to be New Year, and I just want to say I want to wish you such the best and the happiest New Year that you have ever had. It is going to be truly a great New Year in 2023, and I pray that you have such a blessed and prosperous New Year. Well, guys, as you know, I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And hey, don't forget to hit that notification bell down there so that you don't miss out on any of the videos that we're uploading. And if you're one of the thousands of people who have been watching these videos, but you haven't yet subscribed, would you do the channel a favor and join this community? We would really love to have you on board. So, in the meantime, and in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the new year.